Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this cool setting on an iPad you can do. So if you get this, you can listen to background sound like rain, and more. And yeah, how to get this is basically go to your settings app. Now, go to Control Center. And now basically, I already have hearing added, but I'm just going to remove it for this. You can get hearing like this, and there you go. Also, you can also do that for screen recording, like if you remove, and then you put it back on. There you go, screen recording. You're welcome. Bye!